see myself in the mirror, I'm like, oh my God, what happened? I hope the picture is going to be a little bit better today. I have the camera on a stabilizer today, but it's a little bit heavier. And I record this with my Sony CV1. So today is the second day. I was here yesterday also. And what surprised me most is that even if you have almost like, kind of feel like a pain in the body, in the legs, especially right now in the right leg, even if I feel a little bit pain, it's because I'm so extremely uphill now. I'm so extremely untrained, and I feel it. And that is also one of the reasons that I'm doing this now. I just come to that conclusion, or just that, you know, when you see yourself in the mirror, you get that smack in the face that it's time to take care of the body before it's too late. That's why I'm here now. I don't want to say power walk. I want to say like a walk, but tiny faster. It feels good to do this. I enjoy it even if the body right now just screaming, go home. Take a coffee or something and just relax. Then you stand on this weight scale. You stand on that one. You almost get a minor heart attack when you see the result. So, in conclusion, here we are. I was there yesterday, walking the same track. Feels great to be a little bit out here with the nature. And not far from me, on that side, is the highway. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but the distance I'm walking right now is, this track is 2.5 kilometers. Do I time me? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Why? Not yet. The most reason I do not do it is because right now, just doing this for me counts like the biggest step, because I took the step. I took the step, come out here and do this walk. I had a tripod stick yesterday, but I felt that the picture was very, can you say, jumpy? Shaky. It was very shaky. And I'm sure that the microphone that is sitting right here now is a DJI microphone, and I'm very sure it takes up a lot of sounds from me right now, so it sounds like I'm half dying. Technically I am, but it feels good to walk here. It's great to walk here in this nature, even if there's a highway not far away. It's great to walk here in this nature. We have a forest not far from Malmö named Bokskogen, like a oak forest directly translated, I think. I'm thinking about drive out there also one day. That track is the one I used to like, is 3 kilometers in one track. Here it is 2.5 kilometers in one track. I'm thinking about drive out there also, but this track, while I'm walking right now, it's so much closer to home. This is the last uphill now. This really feels in the body, but the way I feel, the way my body is in shape, I just say, if I can do this, so can you. Just do it. Just start. It's the level. It's that part to, it's that part to cross that level and just start. That is the hardest part. And right now, it's just to start. I mean, if I can do it with this shape, so can you. So honestly, what are you waiting for? Just do it. I'm not in the best shape, as you can see, but at least I'm trying now. Oh, I can see the opening here. As you can see, the light comes. As you can see, the light comes to my face now. I can see the opening here. So we're on the way to get to the finish line. And here is the finish line.